am studying BA first year HCP, Government Degree College in Mortar. My Jignasa project Anskapur, Dattapeetham National.
My name is C.H. Rajeshwar. I am studying BA first year, Government Degree College, Mortar. Introduction. Ansapur Dattapeetham has the one and only Padarasa Mercury Lingam Shivalayam in Nizamabad in India. According to the Hindu scriptures, Mercury Lingam has enormous power and absolves deliverance from sins. History. Earlier Ravana Brahma had this type of lingam, but now only Amsapur Dattapeetham Shivalayam has this Padarasa lingam. It was constructed after collecting donation from devotees with a total expenditure of rupees 5 crore. The Hindus worship Lord Shiva in the form of Shivalingam, which is usually made with stone, but Dattapeetha Shivalayam of Nizamabad district has a Shivalingam made of the metal mercury. Devotees call it Padarasa Lingam and believe that by visiting this lingam they will be absolved from sins. Tale of the only Padarasa Lingam. Ansapur villagers believe this temple makes their village rich and prosperous. Ansapur Dattapeetham has the one and only Padarasa Lingam Shivalayam in India. Construction of Padarasa Lingam. The Dattapeetham Shivalayam has a huge 500 kg Padarasa Shivalingam and 100 small Shivalingams around the main one. In the making of Shivalingam, the liquid mercury was converted into solid states by mixing chemicals. Devotees of Padarasa Lingam Temple. Gangareddy, a resident of Ansapur, says that they constructed this temple in 2003 with the help of the devotees. Rajanna, another devotee, adds, I usually come to the Dattapeetham along my family and visit Padarasa Lingam. It makes us happy and fulfills our desires. Devotees visit this temple from every nook and corner of India because of its prominence. Importance of Padarasa Lingam Temple. Every year, 3-day annual festival is conducted here in the Vishaka Masam with Satyanarayana Swami pujas in the temple. Amsapur villagers feel that because of the temple, the village is prosperous and rich. After knowing the importance of this Padarasa Lingam, the seer of Amsapur Dattapeetham Padala Vittala Maharaj came forward and took the responsibility to construct Shivalayam and install Padarasa Lingam at Dattapeetham. Vittala Maharaj constructed and installed Padarasa Lingam at Dattapeetham under the guidance of Ganapati Satchidananda Swami and Chinnajayara Swami in the year 2003. After its completion, of died of illness with a few days.
Hi, my name is Nishit. I am studying BA first year, Government Degree College, Mortar. Jignasa was a student project work. Ansapur Dattapeetha student studying Malleshwari Dikshita, Rajeshwari Rishit, Supriya Sukhbhansar, Assistant Professor of History. Thank you to all. Departments of History, Government Degree College, Mortar. Thank you all.